Once upon a time, there was a little Chino scaring everyone who lived in the hood. Nobody knew what to do.
Hey, Snow.
But Daddy did.
Come say hi. Come here, you go.
He would slay that icky monster, hiding what was left of him in a special place that no one would ever find.
Here you go.
You know about Daddy's box? I always knew this day would come. Just not so soon. I'm not sure how this next chapter goes.